Ready to ditch the chaos of multiple music apps and finally organize your music life in one place? First, you'll want to create a new page in your Notion workspace specifically for music. Think of this as your personal music command center, so name it something like My Music Hub or Music HQ. Next, let's build our first database playlists. Create a new table database and name it Playlists. Add properties like playlist name, genre, mood, and any other relevant info, maybe even a cover image. Now, make a separate database for your favorite artists. Again, choose properties that help you keep track of their music, like artist name, genre, and a rating system. You can even include a property for last listen to help you remember what you've been enjoying. This is where the magic happens. Link your playlist and artists' databases using a relation property. This allows you to easily connect artists to specific playlists and vice versa. To do this, select the symbol and add a relation property. Now, start adding your favorite songs to your playlists. Fill out the properties you created, linking them to the relevant artists. The more detailed you are, the easier it will be to find the perfect music for any mood. Finally, take advantage of Notion's powerful filtering and sorting features. Want to find all your upbeat pop songs? Just filter your playlist database by genre and mood. And that's it. You've now created a personalized music management system within Notion Mobile. Experiment with different layouts and properties to find what works best for you. Happy listening.